Let's replace all the seals before installing this transmission, and I'm gonna use this tool here to remove the seals. Clean them very well before installing the seal, and I'll install this seal later because the auto part sent me the wrong one right now. Let's lubricate the seal with new oil before installing it. Tap it a little bit and take a look at it to make sure it's going inside evenly and not crooked. Let's replace the axle seal. And I already lubricated this seal, so I'm gonna go ahead and install it now. And this is how the seals are supposed to look like once you install them, very evenly all around and not crooked, otherwise they're gonna leak. And the same will apply for the rest of the seals.